Guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to check DV lottery results. Firstly, open your web browser and go to the official US Department of State's Diversity Visa Lottery website. On the homepage, click on the Check Status button to proceed. Now, click Continue on the next page to access the entry status check area. Enter the confirmation number you received when you submitted your DV lottery application. Then type in your last name exactly as you submitted it, year of birth, and type the characters shown in the CAPTCHA box. After entering the required information, click Submit. Your results will display on the next page indicating if you were selected or not. Just important note, the only official way to check DV results is through this website. Avoid any emails or websites claiming to provide results outside this official channel. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.